Hi, Joanne with Broadcast Sonny here and the Creative Writing Study Group on Facebook, and it is week 2, day 3 of NaNoWriMo. Yes, I should have done this a couple of days ago, but I've been busy. So, update, I am 1 day behind because of Election Day, was busy here for local stuff. I thought I'd start by showing you the swag I got from donating to NaNoWriMo. You get this pin. Let me bring that in. Can you see it? There. Which is cute. It's probably flip-flopped on the video, so I apologize. But also this decal, which I'm planning. It's that kind of decal, I forget what it's called, that you can put on your laptop and it'll peel off pretty easily. Bookmark. I assume it's bookmark size, but it says thank you and it has a cute little saying in the back. And then, wristband. I don't know what I did with it. I had it. Oh, here it is. I was wearing it. And it says, find your story, inspiration, adventure, community, NaNoWriMo. That's that. So, yeah. Anyway, so week 1. Here's my synopsis. It was harder than I expected. First day it did fly. I expected the whole week to fly by, but it didn't. The second day I slowed down. Third day it was election day, but still I thought, I'll pick up real easy. Nope. I was getting upset because the character wasn't sounding right, and I was concerned that if I kept going down this path, that this whole story will be depressing, because she was coming across depressed, just always sad. So what I ended up doing was rewriting some scenes. I kept the word count though, because I figured it's still part of the scene and there is a good chance I'll merge the two together, but we'll see. So I rewrote some scenes to make it brighter, used words to make it brighter, lighter, her more bubbly and more dramatic, because she's a bit of a drama queen, not terrible. And then some of the things that kept me going, that got me really writing, first was music. Music always does it for me. I try not to overuse music. I think its magic is gonna wear out, but it hasn't. So I'm struggling at the moment. So today I will probably use music for most of the day. And then the other thing is I went over my notes. I looked at notes where I looked over the notes. I read it through and I was like, oh yeah, I forgot about that. Oh yeah, that's good. Okay, that's good. Just the character development, where I thought the story should go, and all of that. And I went over, so this is a story I've been working on for a while, so I went over some really old notes, and that was very useful too. I'm still behind. I keep thinking in my head, night of writing dangerously, and I should just spend the night writing, but I don't know. Let's see how bad I am by Thanksgiving, because Thanksgiving's tough. Although this year we're staying home, so who knows. Third week is the wall, so I feel like I hit the wall already. Although, like I said, I just reread my notes yesterday and it inspired me, so I'm hoping it's going to be much better today. We shall see. So let me know your challenges. Maybe we can help you out, or how you overcame them, and things that can help to get you writing. I'd love to hear it. Put it in the comments below, and I will see you next time.